It's one of our newer girls. She was pulled out of Osceola County Animal Control, and she's from a breeder in the Narcoossee area of Florida. She's really sweet, very submissive, not acclimated at all to a leash or even a brush, but she will come up to me when I ask her. And she's only been here a few days, less than 2 weeks actually, just about 8 days, 9 days. And she's coming along. And we're going to work on getting her back with the original breeder who sold her to the woman in Narcoossee. And that'll give us space to help rescue a few more Wolfdogs, because right now we've got 2 in Hillsborough County Animal Control as part of a neglect case. We've got another one in Osceola County from the Narcoossee breeder, and they're just, it is a constant process of finding these guys homes, finding placement, rehab, and it's something I love, and I really love these guys. Alright, let's go in and see our other 3. Got a couple of dog houses on the side there that they've already gone through. They're just going to wait till Little Miss Excited here stops jumping on the fence. You can see they're very interested in sniffing and checking things out. And one has quite a bit of exuberance in her. It's alright. She's young. She was chained for her whole life up until the last 2 months when we took her. And that was from the time she was a puppy. So she's got a lot of excitability. And we're just going to let her calm down a little bit. Here's one happy boy. Yeah. Simba. Aw, sweetheart. What a good boy. What a good boy. Somebody's still jumping up. Simba, you're such a love. What a lover. What a lover, boo. Oh, what a lover. What a lover. What a lover. Hi, you. Hi, you. Sweetheart. Hi, lady. Where's my lady? Where's my lady? There's my lady. Good girl. Come here. Come on, sweetie. Camera's not going to hurt you. Come here, sweetheart. Good girl. That's my girl. That's my girl. That's Aura. Aura is a little excitable rehab case. She's a good girl, but she is definitely going to take some time to calm down. That's much better.